In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero and Stripe, how to add and reconcile a Stripe feed to Xero, 5 minutes. Let's start by signing into Xero. Go to the Xero login page, click Login, and enter your secure email and password. Use multi-factor authentication if prompted, then click Login again to open your organization. Once you're in, head to the dashboard. Here you'll see your bank accounts, including your Stripe feed if it's connected. Newly connected feeds may take a moment to pull through transactions. Open the Stripe account from the dashboard and choose Reconcile Items. This takes you to the bank reconciliation screen, where each line represents a transaction from Stripe. Pick one transaction you want to reconcile as our example and check the date, amount, and any reference details so you're confident you're working on the right line. Because we're creating a new accounting entry for this bank line, click Create. You're telling Xero to record a receive money transaction that explains the Stripe deposit. In the contact field, enter or select the customer name. Keeping contact names consistent will make your customer reports and repeat reconciliations much cleaner. Next, set the account code to sales. This routes the income to your sales revenue account in the chart of accounts. If your organization uses different revenue accounts for products or regions, choose the one that best fits your reporting. You can confirm the right code with your accountant or finance lead. Add a helpful description in the why field. Aim for something specific like a product or campaign name or an order number. Clear descriptions speed up month-end reviews and audits. Take a moment to review the contact, account code, description, and the amount that Xero has pulled from the bank line. When everything looks correct, click OK to reconcile. Xero will post the transaction, match it to the bank line, and move you to the next item. That's the whole flow. Log in, open your Stripe account on the dashboard, choose a bank line, click Create, add the contact, set sales as the account code, describe the transaction, and click OK. Repeat the same steps for the remaining Stripe transactions to keep your books accurate and up to date. If you handle similar payments regularly, this process will become very quick, and you can discuss consistent coding with your finance team to keep your reporting clean. Thanks for watching, and happy reconciling.